Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we are offering a 1971 Harley Sportster bottom end. I do not have a title. The oil lines are bent, as you can see. We've had this for years. Just never did anything with it. It's a matching number cases. It's a very authentic serial number. It's a 71. It has an issue right here where this is busted right here where the sprocket goes on. That's not a big deal. You can get that fixed if you so desire. The rods turn over, so I think the crank is okay. Transmission moves. You got the starter mechanism right here. No starter, but it's got the housing and everything. I did not see any visible damage to this engine, with the exception of the case over here where the sprocket cover goes on. Everything turns over. It's not all rusty, and it is just how a 71 should be. This block here is bare, as it was only in 71, I believe. If you come to this side right here, there's your VIN number. Very authentic VIN number, and as I said earlier, the belly numbers are matching, so this has not ever been altered. As I said before, I do not have a title. Low-cost shipping available on request, and we're looking to get $600 for it. Okay, thanks for looking at our stuff.